नमस्ते गाइस। आज करेंगे पाइथन में परसेंटेज कैलकुलेटर। तो पहले आउटपुट देख लो फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये है आउटपुट। हम पहले मार्क्स डालेंगे एंड देन इंटरनल के मार्क्स। फिर ये हमें सारी डिटेल्स दी देगा। Firstly, we should take inputs from user of the marks and the marks in internal assessment. And then we should calculate the total marks by adding the marks and internal marks. And then if the total marks is more than 100, then it will show that marks cannot be more than 100. And then it will show you that how much is the total marks that user have got. After that it calculates the percentage of marks and print the percentage of marks. After that, according to marks division, the user will get accordingly grades such as A or B. That's it. This source code you can also be able to find in the description box. Bye bye guys. And listen. Disclaimer. I am robot speaking, not Krishna.